10 Jujutsu Kaisen moments we can't wait to see in Season 3. Season 3 of Jujutsu Kaisen doesn't ease you in it, throws you straight into war. The moment everyone's been waiting for begins with one fight: Yuta Okkotsu versus Yuji Itadori. Yuta returns with a mission from the Jujutsu higher-ups, a binding vow that demands Yuji's death. No hesitation, no exceptions. After Season 2's ending, Yuji is officially labeled a threat, and Yuta is the executioner sent to end him. But this isn't a simple hunt. Yuta is torn between duty and compassion, caught between keeping his word and protecting the boy standing at the center of everything. And just when Yuji is pushed to the edge, Choso steps in, turning the battlefield into a brutal 2-on-1. This isn't just Yuta's first fight as a special grade in the anime, it's his full return. Power, emotion, and impossible choices collide in a battle that sets the tone for all of Season 3.